Welcome to JH. PublicRecords.us is an online platform that grants you access to millions of public records across the United States, covering everything from court and property records to criminal histories and addresses. It gathers information from various public and private sources to hand you a comprehensive report on a silver platter. It's pretty handy, or perhaps just a more professional way to legally stalk your neighbors. But here's the million-dollar question. Is this platform actually legit, or just another internet rabbit hole? Let's find out. First, there is a glimmer of hope. The website's registration shows it has been kicking since April 2002. That is over 20 years, which in internet years makes it practically prehistoric. Usually, sticking around that long suggests a level of stability you won't find with those fly-by-night sites that disappear faster than a politician's promise. Another plus is that they actually provide an email and a phone number for support. It's always reassuring to know there is a human on the other end, even if they are just there to listen to you vent about your life choices. Now, let's see what the real users are saying over on Consumer Affairs. Many users are singing the praises of the customer service, calling the staff quick, helpful, and efficient. They have apparently sorted out accidental subscriptions and missing documents without a fight, which is a nice change from the usual customer service purgatory. However, over on Trustpilot, the vibe is a bit more angry mob. Some users claim they were signed up for recurring billing without their knowledge, with a few even shouting scam from the digital rooftops. So, is PublicRecords.us the real deal? Honestly, it is a bit of a mixed bag. They have got longevity and solid support on their side, but the reports of surprise, charges, and transparency issues are definitely a red flag. If you do decide to take the plunge, just make sure to watch your bank statement like a hawk and stay alert. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. We promise there are no hidden fees here.